Hi guys, good day. Now I'm making another lobster. This is the same one, previous one from the previous video that I made. Um, the stain one, the darker one. So this is the second one, which is the darker brown one. So right now I'm making this one is making trying to block for the legs, and what I do is blocking first before I'm gonna shape it. I do have a lot of videos, but it's kind of random. But like this one, I already block and shape it. Shape with the grinder, with a Kutzell disc 1/4 inch grinder, and I torch it so that remove all the splinters from the textures and make it a little bit softer with my with the torch, and my own homemade sander and I made, so just get a little bit refined of my legs. This one is for the claws and crusher. So I'm just making 2 blocks of cedar wood, cut it into block and shape it. So I didn't have video yet of the shaping of the claw and crusher for the lobster. So I already made that. And this one I made an eyes for the lobster. So I'm using a die grinder with Kutzell bits, carving bits, and and also I'm sanding the head of the lobster. I'm gonna make it a little bit fine, and the horn, I don't know what they call it, the tip of the horn of the lobster. And this one is a knuckle, so I glue it first with Gorilla Glue. I like this Gorilla Glue, it expands. So I'm trying to fit in, and I have to make some adjustment so that it would fit in the knuckles. Once I fit in, I will gonna glue it and join it with screws. And now I'm blocking I already put the crusher and the claw, shape it at the same time with the knuckles. So yeah, I do blocking first before I do shaping, because I can see visualizing the 3D, trying to see the shape on it for the claws. So the body is combined with white pine and cedar. So I already put the legs on it, and now I'm making a hole for the antenna for the lobster, and then I'm trying to fit in the antenna with the sanding belt. Now I already burned the claws and I sand it. So yeah, just to remove all the once after I remove all the burned splinters to make it fine with my sander, homemade sander. So this is the finished claws, and I do have the video of the legs, but I didn't download it, the legs for the video. So right now is the legs and antenna right here, and all I need now is the staining. So it has been a nasty weather in New Brunswick, Canada. There's a lot of bad weather, so I have to see if there's a good chance of staining for the lobster, a good temperature, because I have a simple shop. And then after that, once it dries, the next day I'm gonna finish it with very thin oil-based gloss. So I like glossy because I like to see the lobsters gonna look wet, just like the lobster in the water, like wet. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you enjoy it for my project, and I'll see you on the another next video. Thank you guys. Take care.